Hello lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a popular DIY pregnancy test that you might have heard about, the salt test. Is it reliable? How does it work? Stick around as we break it all down and compare it to traditional pregnancy tests. The idea of using a home pregnancy test with salt is a common DIY method that has circulated for some time. However, it's important to approach this with a clear understanding of what it really is and how it compares to standard pregnancy tests. The basic concept behind the salt test is that when you mix salt with your urine, it's supposed to react in a way that indicates pregnancy if the hormone HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, is present. But before we get into the details, it's important to note that there is no scientific backing for the salt pregnancy test. Unlike medical pregnancy tests, which are designed to detect HCG levels, the salt test is more of a fun myth or old wives' tale. That said, many people still try it, often out of curiosity, or because it's easily accessible with items you probably already have at home. The method is simple. All you need is a clean container, some salt, and your urine. To do the test, you mix the salt and urine together, wait a few minutes, and then observe any changes. The belief is that if the mixture starts to clump or change texture, it's a sign of pregnancy. If nothing happens, then it's considered a negative result. However, the salt test doesn't truly measure HCG levels, so it's really just for fun rather than an accurate medical result. The reason some people are drawn to this test is likely its simplicity and low cost. When you're anxiously waiting to know if you're pregnant, the salt test can seem like a harmless, quick thing to try while waiting to buy a store-bought pregnancy test. But it's important to manage expectations here. Medical pregnancy tests are specifically designed with sensitive materials that can detect even low levels of HCG in your urine, something salt certainly can't do. If you're thinking about trying the salt test for fun, go ahead, but keep in mind that your true answer will come from a reliable home pregnancy test kit or a visit to your doctor. Many pregnancy tests from drugstores can detect pregnancy as early as the first day of your missed period, and some even earlier. They're affordable, easy to use, and give you a much more definitive answer than any DIY test like the salt method. Now, what if you do the salt test and it shows a positive result? You might feel excited, but it's essential to follow up with a proper pregnancy test to confirm. The salt test can sometimes create reactions that look like a positive result, but they are unrelated to HCG. The best way to truly know if you're pregnant is to use a medically approved test that is specifically designed to detect the hormone produced in your body when you're expecting. If you get a negative result from the salt test and you still feel uncertain or have missed your period, it's also important to follow up with a real test. Your health and your peace of mind are worth the clarity that a store-bought or doctor-administered test can give you. To wrap it up, while the salt pregnancy test might be a fun DIY experiment for some, it's crucial to remember that it's not based on science. It won't give you an accurate reading about your pregnancy status, and it should never replace a proper home pregnancy test or medical advice. Think of it as a bit of a curiosity or a fun way to pass the time, but not something to rely on for life-changing decisions. So, if you really want to know for sure whether you're expecting, grab a reliable home pregnancy test, follow the instructions carefully, and if you're still unsure, book an appointment with your healthcare provider. After all, The most important thing is taking care of yourself and making sure you have the right information when it matters most. Thanks for watching. Remember, while the SALT test can be a fun experiment, it's no substitute for an actual pregnancy test. If you're looking for accurate results, always rely on medical tests and consult your doctor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips and baby-related content. See you next time.